Today I'm going to teach you how to delete a repository in GitHub. This is useful when you need to remove old projects or clean up your account. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once you're on the homepage, log in using your credentials. After logging in successfully, you'll be taken to your GitHub dashboard where you can access all your repositories. Now look over to the left panel of your screen. Here you'll see a list of all your repositories. Click on the repository that you want to delete. This will open up that specific repository's main page. Next, in the top toolbar, you'll find several tabs available. Look for the one labeled Settings and click on it. This section contains all the configuration options for your repository. Once you're in the Settings page, scroll down to the very bottom. This is where GitHub places the more permanent and significant actions. You'll find a section with a button that says Delete this repository. Go ahead and click that button to begin the deletion process. A confirmation dialog will appear to ensure you really want to proceed with this action. Click on I want to delete this repository to continue. GitHub takes repository deletion seriously since it's a permanent action that can't be undone. Next, you'll see another checkbox that says I have read and understand these effects. Click on this checkbox to acknowledge that you understand the consequences of deleting your repository. Now comes a crucial verification step. You'll need to either copy or manually type the exact name of your repository into the text field provided. This is a safety measure to prevent accidental deletions. Once you've entered the repository name correctly, click the Delete this repository button. GitHub will now prompt you to verify via email for added security. Click on Verify via email. This sends a verification code to your registered email address. Check your email inbox for the verification code from GitHub. Once you receive it, enter the verification code into the provided field and click Verify. After this final verification, your repository will be permanently deleted from GitHub. And that's it. Your repository has been successfully removed from your GitHub account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.